This is Chris from Munch, and welcome to another fast food fight. The show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them to make them look and taste like their retail products, also whilst reducing the cost. Imagine ham and cheese, but on a pizza thingy, and for $5. Ham and cheese, ham and cheese, ham and cheese. And for $5, who's gonna whinge? Not me. I'm far too lazy. Anyway, while you're here, click on my dongle thing. Go on, I'll be your friend. Promise. I'll be even lying about it behind your back. So your wet stuff is marjoram, garlic, infused olive oil, yeast and water. Dry stuff is corn flour and plain flour. Chuck them in a bowl and mush them together. Now put some flour on your surface, whack your balls and stretch it out, making it hard and stiff. No doghmo. Chuck some butter in a pan and smudge it around. Throw up the flatties. Sauces, spices, salts and peppers, smudging around them is, cheeses, more cheeses, hamses. Once bubbling on the bottom, check it on the grill till the top browns, like my stool. Slice it up and chomp on that pig. Turn me in under a buck like a set of nuts. This is Chris from Munch, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Rub and tug.